first type of warm-up movement is Tadasan. Tadasan is palm tree pose. So in the ideal position, the body looks like a palm tree. Okay, right, the back is relaxed, butt straight, shoulders pull away from the ears. The feet are parallel to each other and hip distance apart so that you are able to take balance well. Interlocking the fingers in front and try and coordinate the movements with breathing. So this is the starting point, and you prepare yourself and you inhale and come on your toes. Find a point to gaze, the upper arms touching the ears. You are balancing on your toes, focusing on the stretch you experience. And to release, inhale and exhaling, lower the heels and release the hands. This is one round. So you can practice 2 to 4 rounds of this Tadasan. It gives the body a stretch. Tips and some tips to perform is, if you feel that you are not able to take balance coming all the way up on your toes, you can raise your heels only as much as you feel comfortable. People who have a knee problem or an ankle ligament problem, be gentle on yourself and perform the movement within your body's comfort limits. This movement is called KatiChakrasan. This is how we perform it. Our feet are hip distance apart and parallel to each other. The core is engaged. Shoulders are relaxed and pull away from the ears. Raising the arms parallel to the ground on the shoulder level. We inhale and exhaling, twist back, turn back so that the right arm, I'm turning towards my left, my right arm is on the left shoulder and the left arm is wrapped behind the back. Breathing normally in the posture through the nose, focusing on the twist that you experience on the spine. And now coming to the center, inhale and exhaling, perform it on the other side. So that now I'm performing it on my right side. So my left arm is on the right shoulder and the right arm is wrapped behind my back, and breathing normally through the nose, focusing on the twist. Go gentle on your knees and to release, inhale, come to the center and release the hands down. You practice 2 to 3 rounds of KatiChakrasan, performing left side and the right side is 1 round. So practice 2 to 3 rounds like this.